Hello, my name is Bryan Thomas. I am at the campus of Pembroke of Keiser University, currently in my major of video game design for my bachelor's degree. I've just been a gamer all my life. I've been gaming since I was like 5 on my PS2. So it was like, I don't know, gaming's just been there since I was a kid. I guess the more I grew up, I've always noticed that I always loved designing games. I always loved seeing the graphics, always loved seeing the max potential, gaming could become. Our professor is great. He teaches us very well. Truly, I love the way he teaches. I love the way he always prepares his students. Knowing me, I for sure learn differently. I'm not like a whiteboard learner. Trust him, when he comes around and helps you, shows you hey, this looks good, hey, gives you suggestions, truly just shows how every professor could be different in their own way and shows their special talents and their specialties, I should say. I like the extra activities that also came with it. After class and during classes, you always have the accessibility to at least do your work, get it done, and have fun at the end of the day. I'm always able to have fun while I have to do my education, so it's a win-win on both sides. If I had to give any advice, just truly believe in yourself. That's number one. I think you gotta always believe in yourself when it comes to picking any type of college or any type of degree or just anything in general. I was always taught that if you're gonna put your mind to something, do it to 100%, even if it's not 100%, do it to your max ability. Just do the best you can at whatever you do and make sure you just be committed to it. So I'm a gamer, I love the game, I'm also competitive, so hey, I believe I can beat anybody in any game until I actually start losing, so that's just me.